Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 108 in the GT line specification. So we originally sold this car from new and have taken it back in part exchange. It's got a full service history with Howard's, and it features 15-inch alloy wheels, keyless entry, there's tinted rear windows and colour reversed camera. Inside the car you have leather interior. The touchscreen features sat-nav, DAB digital radio and Bluetooth. On top of this you also get air conditioning, automatic headlights, and there's a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car has the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. It's done just under 17,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.